What is up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you guys can tell by that title, today we're going to be installing this 22-inch HD wig. This hair is from Beauty Forever. No, this video is not sponsored. I did purchase this with my own money, but they were kind enough to give me a discount code for you guys to use if you're interested in this hair. Alright guys, so jumping straight into this video, I already did the ball cap method off camera. So as y'all can see now, I am just applying my bolt hold lace glue. I do apply a little bit to my skin as well as a little bit back on the cap. I did apply 2 to 3 layers of glue. I don't remember exactly, but I always really do 2 to 3 layers of glue. Alright, so I'm just going to keep applying this glue until it has gotten tacky, and then we're going to proceed with applying the wig. I do also want to mention that I did go ahead and prep this wig off camera as well. As you can tell, I did add makeup to the lace so that there is an effortlessly blend with the ball cap. I used the same concealer for the ball cap and the wig. I also did go ahead and pluck my hairline for a more natural look. And I also went ahead and straightened it off camera. So you won't see me actually doing the hair because it was already prepped and flat ironed prior to me applying the wig. Alright, now that the glue has gotten tacky, I'm just going to go ahead and spray down my hair with Got To Be Spray. This is basically just going to push back the flyaways that I may have so that they don't get tangled up in the glue, in between the glue and the lace, because it's very stressful trying to fix that. So I put my hair in a ponytail, and like I said, I'm just spraying back any extra hair so that we don't have any type of mess or any just straight hairs flying around. Now I'm just going to go ahead and cut my lace into 3 different sections. Last time that I tried to do a frontal install, I tried to apply the full thing at one time, y'all, and it was a mess. So I did learn that it's a lot easier to cut your frontal into 3 sections so that you can work on one section at a time. Alright, once I have gotten the placement where I want to lay my wig, I'm going to use a comb to pretty much just push that into my skin so that there is like an effortlessly blend. Y'all don't come for me about my comb. I literally bought 2 more of these combs and I cannot find them anywhere. I lost them like the day after I bought them. But yeah, so now moving on to that second tab. Like I said, using my comb to just push that lace into my skin very well. Make sure that glue is sticking. You're going to see me use my Got To Be spray because for some reason I feel like this glue was not working, so I just used Got To Be spray just for an extra hold because I would hate for my lace to come up. Like, that's just gonna be embarrassing. So yeah, like I said, just using that Got To Be spray as an extra hold. Alright, so I'm just going to use my blow dryer just to make sure that glue is dry before I start cutting my lace, because you do not want to start cutting your lace when the glue is still tacky or it is not dry, because it's going to be a mess, y'all. Just let it dry. Be patient and just let it dry. I learned this method from somebody that I was watching on YouTube. I really don't remember, but they just got the elastic band and tied it around their lace. I think Arrogant Tay does this as well. You just kind of tie it around your lace and blow dry it until until you're liking. This pretty much just really melts it more into your skin. Like, I've seen before and afters of this, and it's mind-blowing. So of course I wanted to try it out, y'all. Alright, now I'm just cutting my ear tabs. I'm being very careful not to cut any excess hair off, any unnecessary hair that does not need to be cut. So yeah, I'm just going to take that and I'm going to cut straight across. I made the mistake before of trying to make like a sideburn cut, and y'all, it was a mess. So I learned a lot of new techniques, and this was one to just cut straight across, and I'm so glad that I learned that, because y'all, when I tell y'all this install was, y'all, it was, y'all gonna see, and you would not believe that this is just my second time installing a frontal wig. Like, I really surprised myself. Like I said, being very careful not to cut any excess hair, but cutting off that lace. Alright, now that everything has dried, I'm just going to take a razor and just go ahead and just cut straight across. I prefer to use a razor over scissors because it gives a more jagged look and a more natural look. Because I feel like if you cut straight across, it just does not look realistic. It just looks like a blunt cut. And as y'all can tell, this lace is already coming. This is already looking good. And as y'all can see, this side right here kind of gave me a bit of a problem, but I'm gonna fix that, and you won't be able to tell at all. As you can see, I'm using that Got to Be spray again, and as y'all can tell, look at it, seamless. I'm telling y'all, this lace is bomb, y'all. Again, I'm going to take that elastic band and just tie that around once more. I did do this a few times because I really wanted this to be a very natural look, I should say. So just using my blow dryer again to blow dry that down. I did do this for about 5 to 10 minutes because I really wanted to make sure that it was dry. Alright, so now moving on to the baby hairs, which gave me the most problems. Not because of the hair, it's really because I don't really know how to do baby hairs that good. So, yeah, I tried, y'all. I really did. I'm using my hot comb, though, to make sure those baby hairs are flat so that it's a little bit easier to style. And I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. If you made it this far, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notifications, leave me some comments, like some videos, share, y'all, because I really wanted to do more of these hair videos, because if you know me, you know that I love doing hair. But yeah, so I'm glad I was able to bring something a little bit different to y'all for this video. So I'm pretty much going to let y'all just kind of watch the rest of this video. It's pretty much going to be me styling the hair, just telling you a little bit about the hair. Like I said, if you are still here, if you're new to my channel, however you found my channel, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. And if you are returning, thank you so much for coming back. And yeah, I will see y'all in the next video. I think I did so good for this to be my second time installing a frontal. I just need to learn how to do these baby hairs because, yeah. Yeah. But other than that, y'all, I think I did so good on this install. And I'm really proud of myself, honestly. I'm very impressed. I will say that. Another thing is I just wish I would have brought it down just a little bit more because I feel like I got like a lot of forehead space. So I guess I underestimated my forehead. But it's cool, it's whatever. And also, I know I need to clean up my forehead a little bit, y'all, but I'm tired, it's late. Yeah. And I did take my hot comb and just like flatten this part out. I don't know if I want to do a side part or a middle part, but I don't know. The only thing I don't like about this wig is I don't have, really I feel like this wig is made for a middle part because on the sides it only come about like right here to part, and then it goes back, which is the by far part. So it's really not much side part spacing that you can do, honestly. So I don't know how I feel about that because I like deep parts, but I don't know, y'all, we'll see.